Hello everybody, welcome again. This is Ramadan part 2. Are you ready? Let's get started. What does fasting mean? What does fasting mean? Fasting means abstaining from eating, drinking, and doing immoral things such as gossip. Why do you fast? Why do you fast? It's Ramadan. It's one of the 5 pillars of Islam. How long do you fast? How long do you fast? We fast every day from before dawn to sunset. What happens at sunset? What happens at sunset? We break our fast with water and dates, and the family comes together to a dinner called iftar. How does Ramadan end? How does Ramadan end? Ramadan ends with Eid al-Fitr, which is the festival of breaking the fast, and it lasts for 3 days. This is all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Happy Ramadan.